Remember 2020? Nobody saw it coming. One day, life was normal. The next, the world was in lockdown. Jobs vanished. Businesses closed. Pandemics, like earthquakes, remind us life is unpredictable. But here's the good news. While we can't control global events, we can control our own response. We can prepare. We can build financial resilience. So when the unexpected hits, we're not knocked down for good. Imagine this, an emergency fund that covers your bills for 3 to 6 months. No more panicking about paying the mortgage if you lose your job. That's peace of mind. That's what we're aiming for. Not just surviving, but thriving, even when times get tough. Let's get started. Imagine this, a sudden job loss, an unexpected medical bill, a global pandemic turning your world upside down. Scary, right? But what if you had a financial cushion, a safety net to catch you? That's what an emergency fund is. Start small. Even $50 a week adds up. Aim for $1,000 as a starter emergency fund, then 3 to 6 months of living expenses. It won't happen overnight, but every dollar you save is a step towards security. Where should you keep it? A separate savings account, easily accessible. This money isn't for investing, it's for peace of mind. Knowing it's there takes the edge off uncertainty. Remember, life throws curveballs. Be prepared. Start building your emergency fund today. Emergencies are just that. Unexpected. But everyday spending? That's where we take control. A budget isn't about deprivation. It's about making your money work for you. List your essential expenses. Housing, food, utilities, transportation. Then track your spending for a month. Be honest. You might be surprised where your money is going. Now look for leaks. That daily coffee habit, eating out too often. Cutting back doesn't mean going without. It means making intentional choices. The goal? Free up money to boost your emergency fund and build a financial fortress. Remember, small changes add up to big results over time. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying income. Remember the pandemic? Many people learned the hard way about relying on a single income stream. Diversifying isn't just for Wall Street, it's for everyone. Think about your skills. Could you freelance, teach online courses, start a side hustle? Even a small additional income stream can make a huge difference in uncertain times. It's not just about money, it's about security and options. If one income stream dries up, you have others to fall back on. Plus, who doesn't love a little extra cash? Explore your options. Talk to people. Get creative. You might be surprised at the opportunities waiting to be discovered. Weathering the storm. Investing. When you're worried, investing during uncertain times can feel like navigating a ship in a storm. But remember, long-term growth requires a steady hand on the wheel. First, make sure your financial house is in order. Emergency fund, budget, debt under control. Then consider low-cost index funds. They're like buying a small piece of the entire stock market. Don't panic sell when the market dips. Remember, downturns are buying opportunities. Stay focused on your long-term goals and ride out the waves. Investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building wealth over time. Be patient, stay informed, and seek advice from a trusted financial advisor if needed. Charting your course. Building a secure future. The world will always have its share of uncertainty, but by taking control of our finances, we can weather the storms and come out stronger on the other side. building an emergency fund, budgeting wisely, diversifying income, and investing for the long term. These are the cornerstones of financial resilience. They provide peace of mind and empower us to face the future with confidence. Remember, financial security is a journey, not a destination. Start small, stay consistent, and never stop learning. The power to create a brighter financial future is in your hands. Now, take that first step. Open that savings account. Create that budget. Start exploring your income-generating options. Your future self will thank you.